Hello, mathematicians. Welcome to a new week. So we've just wrapped up most of our work for now. We always come back to things, you'll see, but most of our work on patterning and sorting. So we're going to get ready to start our brand new math books. You may have found them in your bags or boxes or bins or however I got them to you this week. Your new stuff. You may have found them in there. We're going to get there. But first, what we're doing today is a little bit different than what we've been doing. We're doing what I usually call a check-in. Okay, so we're doing this at school today too, and you're gonna do it here on your tablet. Now, if Mrs. Torres was on it as much as she should have been, you would have had the check-in right in your bag. However, I took the book home and forgot to copy it for you. So, two things. I'm gonna upload it. I think I can do it as a worksheet. So you can, if you can print, you can print. You don't have to, but if you have the ability to print, that might be the easiest way. And I apologize because I should have it ready for you, but I forgot to copy this thing. I'm so sorry. If not, you should be able to fill it out on the iPad. If you have trouble circling or doing anything, just let me know and we'll improvise. But first, let me tell you what a check-in is. So we'll do lots of different check-ins. Sometimes I might have you meet with me one-on-one on Zoom, and we might do a check-in that way. Like I just started doing some other check-ins at school that I might do with you on the computer. And a check-in is when I just check, literally check to see what you already know and what I can teach you. Because like I was doing one for colors. And most of us, if not all of us, know our colors. That's what I found so far. I haven't finished the check-in. I still have some more friends to do. But if everyone in our class already knows their colors, should Mrs. Torres teach you guys your colors? No, that's silly, right? You already know them. You don't need me to teach you them. So a check-in is where I check to see what you already know and what I might be able to teach you. So sometimes the check-in might be super duper easy, like your colors. And you might be like, Mrs. Torres, I learned my colors when I was like 2. Well, good, now I know, right? And so I won't teach you those. Sometimes I might ask questions that you don't know yet. I don't know. That's okay. That means I get to teach you that. I hope. Then I'll get to teach you that. So you just say, I don't know. And that's an okay answer. And that's what I tell everybody at our check-ins. It's just me checking to see what you know and what I can teach you. Does that make sense? So today's math job is a check-in. So I'm going to check to see what you know. It's from our math book. And if at any point you need me to stop, you have the wonderful ability at home to just press pause. And I stop right away. Okie dokie. So I'm going to put it on the screen. If you're doing the worksheet on the iPad, it's not going to be convenient to watch me on the screen. So grown-ups, if you need to fill the sheet out on the iPad, it might be easier for you to just read the directions. They're right on the bottom. You'll see, I'll do like number 1 for you, and you can see what I do or what I sound like. And then it might be easier for you to just go off and read it to your student or your child rather than having me read it to them. But I'm okay either way. The only thing I ask is that you let them give it a go. If they don't know, they don't know. That's okay. I just want to see what they do know, so no helping. As well-intentioned as you are, no helping. So kiddos, they're not allowed to help. It's my fault. But it's okay if you don't know. Just guess. Totally cool. Alrighty, you ready to get this show on the road? Enough talking from me, huh? Sorry. All right, let's see here. All right. Oh, good. You can still see me too. Okay. So right here, see this apple? It says number 1. And this line. So there are some kitty cats, some fish, and a bunny. your job is to circle the group of 3 animals. Are there 3 kitty cats, 3 fishies, or 3 bunnies? Circle the group of 3. That's it. Okay, now we go on to the fishy, number 2. Your job, there's 3 numbers here. Circle the number 2. Okay, we're going on to number 3. There's a group of kitties and a group of doggies. Circle the group that has more animals than the other group. Good. All right, number 4, the froggy. Circle the number of birds that are on the ground in the picture. So here's the picture. Circle one of these numbers. How many of those birds in the picture are on the ground? Circle the number for how many are on the ground. Either the back or the next page, or who knows when I go to upload this in a few minutes what will happen. All right, number 5 in the star. There's a pattern here. Ho, 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 ho. You better get lots of friends to get this right. Here it is. Which one of these 2 comes next? Circle which one comes next in the pattern. Which one will go here? All right, number 6 with a flower. Circle the taller tree. Circle the tree that's taller. All right, number 7. See all of these shapes? Circle the shape that is below the triangle. Below the triangle. Draw a circle around the shape that is below the triangle. Okay, moving on to number 8, the one with the flag. Here are all these shapes in one straight line. Circle all of the squares. Which ones are squares? Circle them. And very last one, number 9. Here are the shapes. Circle the 2 shapes that are exactly the same. 2 of these shapes are exactly the same. Circle them, please. Okay, so maybe a weird job, a different job. That's it. That's your whole math job today. Tomorrow, we will take a sneak peek at our first chapter in math and meet some new words and talk about what our first chapter is going to look like. I can't wait to see your work. I'll see you tomorrow.